My name is Keith Lewis and I am the owner and founder of Motorplex. We have locations in Maple Valley and in Auburn, Washington. Motorplex is an auto repair and service facility as well as a heavy truck and diesel repair center. We service and repair all makes and all models. Please allow me to give you just a couple of reasons to choose Motorplex. Number one, our competence will save you money. By diagnosing your vehicle correctly, you end up paying for only what is needed. Our team of techs continually train and have the right equipment and love what they do. They will advise you of things that are needed and how to help you plan for things later on down the road. Number two, we care. Being in business 25 years, we have a great family of customers that count on us in the most straining of situations with their vehicles. Let us help you maintain your vehicle and keep it on the road. Number three, we stand behind what we do. We are not perfect, so if something is not right, we will make it right. It's that simple. We tow it, diagnose it, and repair it at our cost if it is related to our work. Choosing Motorplex is simple. If you want the best repair, done quickly, and one that will save you money, choose Motorplex. We are open 8 to 5 Monday to Friday and have 24-hour emergency service 365 days per year. Call on us today at 425-310-1100 or email us at service@motorplex.com or stop by any of our locations to discuss how we will become your trusted and irreplaceable business partner.